Hey everybody, Fletch from All Things Overlanding here. On today's episode of 3 Minute Thursday, we're going to be talking about my new everyday carry knife, the Kershaw Shuffle II. So if you want to learn a little bit more about this knife and just sort of see a quick little review, I've been carrying it for about 6 months now. Stay tuned. Welcome back. So as I mentioned, on today's 3 Minute Thursday, I'm going to be talking about the Kershaw Shuffle II. Mine is in the olive color, the sort of green army drab, if you will, color. Sort of hold this up here for you. It's a small knife, which is kind of why I like it. I switched from, and I don't actually see it around here, I switched from my Kershaw Brawler, which is maybe about 1/2 inch to 1 inch longer than this. The only thing that I miss from that is that it has an assisted open. So when you pop it open, it clicks right open and you're ready to go. This does not have an assisted open. However, that makes it significantly lighter, and it also makes it shorter and smaller. So again, for an EDC knife, this is a great option. And here's a couple more things about it too. So as far as the specs of this thing go, kind of some nice extra features that they packed into this thing are, it does have on the end here, you can kind of see right there, this part right here, that is actually a flathead screwdriver tip. So you could use that on flathead, screws that you might have about. So if you needed a flathead screwdriver, you've got that as an option. Also, one of the things that's kind of handy for me is it has a bottle opener, and you can use either side. So there's a little clip here, and this thing here, you put this on top of the bottle cap, you put that under, and you just tip it like that. And sometimes it takes 2 or 3, pulls around the cap to pull it off. But again, if you don't have anything else, you've got this as an EDC knife. It's in your pocket. You can open a bottle if you need to pretty easily with this. The clip on it is, pretty thin. One thing that I did notice when I first got it is it's very tight. So you kind of want to loosen it up a little bit or stretch it a little bit, because it actually destroyed my jeans. Like it tore up the pocket of my jeans because of just how tight it was. Now, again, after carrying it for about 6 months or so now, it's loosened up nicely and it's perfect. It holds it nice and tight, but it doesn't, shred my jeans anymore, which is nice. It is, as I mentioned, reversible, so you could switch it from one side to the other, just kind of depending on how you prefer to carry it. When you open the knife, I'll show you what that looks like. It does have a little sort of nub on the side here that you can use to flip it open. It's small. It's really small, which I like, but I like the Tonto style blade. It's good for, the description that they give is, they literally say, it is designed to puncture, slash, stab, slice, chop, or scrape the surface of materials. And I'm pretty sure you could do all that with this. So, I've used this to, most times it's pretty benign, right? Opening an Amazon box or cutting through some tape, or, I use this quite a bit when my kids have Cub Scout events and things like that. I will use this to, cut through something that we need to open, or if we're doing crafts or something, I'll use it on some wood, that sort of stuff. But again, I've carried it for about 6 months. It still has a super sharp edge. I haven't even had to sharpen it yet. And it's just a nice little knife to have. If you want something small, comfortable, convenient, with a good grip on it, that looks nice, it looks aggressive, the Kershaw Shuffle II is a really good option. And again, I have a couple Kershaws now, and I'm a big fan of them. The steel that they use is super strong. It holds an edge really long. So I would definitely recommend this knife. Plus, it's about $16 on Amazon, so you really can't go wrong. So I hope you guys found that helpful. If you're looking for a new everyday carry knife, or just if you're a knife sort of, I won't say collector, because it's not like I buy anything super expensive, or like Benchmade knives or anything like that, which are great knives, but I just kind of pick up cheap ones when I see them and they catch my fancy. If you're looking for something cheaper and smaller, just as an EDC type knife, this is a great option. So again, thank you guys for watching. If you found that helpful, please click the like button below. If you guys have a different everyday carry knife that you use, I'd love to hear from you too. Comment down in the comments below and let me know what you guys are using and why you like it so much. If you use this knife, I'd love to hear from you too. What are your thoughts on it? Do you love it? Is it terrible to you? I personally really like it. So again, thank you guys for tuning in. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button. I'd love to get you guys some more videos. I do a weekly 3 Minute Thursday, and I also do a weekly podcast / vlog video that's a little bit longer about overlanding stuff. So again, check me out. Subscribe down below. I'm on Facebook and Instagram as well. So hope to talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Get out there, live, learn, discover, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.